Unboxing video, and it's from Bloomsbury, so thank you to Bloomsbury for this package. And let's see what that's on. Oh, best-selling author Renee Watson and Ellen Hagan. Renee Watson, she wrote the Newbery honor-winning book Piecing Me Together. Oh, I have it. I actually have a copy. It's in my son's room because I'm trying to get him to read it. And this is a new book that she wrote with Ellen Hagan. And Lori House Anderson wrote a little sentence about it. And Ellen Hagan is a poet. And this is a YA feminist anthem. And it's coming out right around the corner, February 12th. Will be in hardcover, 400 pages. And then with it, that's it, is this spiral bound notebook. And it is a blank book with just the cover, but it's not the cover of the actual book. But I think it's just to inspire girls to I think just, you know, like this is the year of the girl. So this is a feminist anthem and looks very inspirational. This is the letter about this advance release copy. So it's poems and also stories. And it's about a plus size girl. Size 24. Wow, that's cool. You know what? There aren't enough books about that. And Brittany, who is the marketing person from Bloomsbury, wrote in the PS, which is really great. It says a lot when I put my pant size in a pitch letter, just saying. So it's a story about friendship, female power, art, body positivity, activism, and you know, anything by Renee Watson is definitely on my list of something I want to read. And it looks like it's covering it kind of like, you know, in a chronological story. I don't know if it's a whole year. And then there's poems throughout. Looks great. Really excited for it. Thank you so much.